kwarto. May sasabihin naman ako. Ipapman natin yung 3 members ng Bini Quadro. Pero may isang men. Buni Quadro na naman, guys. Buni Quadro. So, nagbabalik na tayo. So, ipapman natin yung pagsasapakin mo. Hindi pinapansin pala, guys. Let's go. Kasi nanonood siya. Lock sa YouTube. Oh my God. One member pupunta pa dito kaysa kwarto. That's the naka-pink siya, guys. Ito kaya yung paalis. Paano pala ako? Dali lang, guys. Yung naka-pink and yung pagpaalis, pagpaalis ko na dito sa kwarto, bigla siyang sumulpot. So, nagtatawa-tawad lang yung guys ko. Stop muna natin camera. Hi guys! Welcome to the... Hindi ako nagbablog to. Mga nahalapit nila.
I found it. I choose this book. Stop looking so sad. Where's our pretty girl? I'm fine.
Dali lang.
It looked... I asked about it. It was Emily. David was drunk and she took advantage. Big kiss.
Sa'yo, oh my God.
Don't think about it anymore.
Ano ako nanonood ako dito? Uy, did you feel Roblox?
You are the best.
What are you doing?
Parang napit na siya. Let's go.
Should I reply to him?
Please reply. She's still.
Kasi, magkakaroon ng Roblox.
No.
Punish
him.
No reply. Photon Energy Plus. Powered by 2 seconds.
Kung hindi nila sila. $1 babe. So, nilain ko na yung plano. Ipaprank namin yung sa vlog. Let's go.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I'll take you to the party.
Iba natin kami. Tatawa ako, putang ina. Dive na tayo. Pangit ang dress mo, tayo. So, how to dive in volleyball? Episode that. Up to 11? Nakakatawa umiyak. Oh my God. Oh my God. Aray! Bakit ako na naman? Episode 3 na lang.